Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see what you can do if your Flow app is not working. So there are some fixes that you can do to this. First of all, you can check if your Wi-Fi is properly working or not. Since if your Wi-Fi is not working or if there are some interferences with your phone or something that's slowing down the processes in your phone, that could mean that your Flow app is not working. Apart from that, you can check any VPNs or anything else that might be interfering with your phone that might result in the Flow app not working. Now, if you've checked those and if those are all right, first of all, what you can do is you can open the Flow app in your settings. So as you can see, you can just long press on this after searching it, and then you can click on app info. You can also go on settings directly and go to apps to get the app from there. So now we'll press on app info. Now from here, this has all the information for the app. The first step that you can do is force stop. The force stop step basically stops the application. It refreshes its processes and it gives an overall refresh to an application. So what you'll do is you'll click on force stop, and once you do that, you'll press on OK. Now what you're going to do is you're going to wait for a bit. You can wait for 10 to 20 seconds, and then after that you can open the Flow app again to see if it's working. If it's not working, then you will move on to the next step. In app info, you will go on storage, and once you go on storage, you will go on cache right here. What you're going to do is you're going to clear cache. Don't do clear data, do clear cache. You'll just press on this in the right. Now once this is 0, that will mean that it's been cleared, and now you can try to open up the application again and it should work. Now if it still doesn't work, then the last step you can do is you can uninstall the application from right here, and then you could reinstall it. You can power off and power on your phone, and then it should work. But if it still doesn't work, you will just probably have to wait a bit, since sometimes they could have problem with their servers or there could be some internal application problems. So if none of these steps work and not even the uninstalling and reinstalling step works, then you can just wait for a bit until the application works again, since it could be an internal problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.